My name is Chris Hinshaw, and I am an endurance coach into the CrossFit community. We know that form matters. We know that form drives additional speed and it drives additional efficiency. The problem is that sometimes it's very difficult for the athlete to understand how form feels. I've seen the most beginner-level runners hop on that product, and it puts them immediately into proper running form. Once they learn that muscle memory, that feel, that's what they can carry outside. Coaches strive for that day in and day out. This product, without any involvement, they find that sensation and can replicate it.
I'm in the gym anywhere from 4 to 6 hours a day. The AirRunner allows me to kind of control where I'm at in my workouts. I can vary the speeds. I can look exactly where I'm at with my wattage. All those things are super important for feedback for me as an athlete. I need to know these things. The AirRunner gives me more control over my workouts.
It's much easier to watch someone's run gait than a controlled and repeatable environment indoors. It encourages a toe or a midfoot strike a lot, and encourages a heel pull, which is definitely good for running form. You'll feel it a bit more in your hamstrings.
It's really cool giving instant feedback on calories and speed and distance. So it helps you pace a staggered run a lot faster.
A regular treadmill has a motor. It's pushing your legs. With an AirRunner, you are the machine. You're the motor. Assault products in general allow you to push yourself to a point where mentally you're uncomfortable, but if you push through it, you're capable of anything.